Want to share your Game Pass library with a friend? Here's how to set it up. First, on your Xbox, sign in with your Microsoft account and go to Settings and then General and then Personalization. And then My Home Xbox, here down below. Turn that Xbox into your home Xbox. So check this box. This lets anyone signed in to that console use your Game Pass subscription and play your downloaded games. Now, on your friend's Xbox, you sign in with your account too, since their console is set as your home Xbox. They'll have full access to your Game Pass library under their own profile. The bonus, you can still log into your own Xbox or PC and play Game Pass at the same time. So technically, both of you can play different games from the same subscription. Just remember, you can only switch your home Xbox a limited number of times per year, so don't keep swapping back and forth. And that's it. With the home Xbox settings, sharing your Game Pass library is quick, easy, and totally legit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.